Yeah, and the second question is same method, similar to the first question. Yeah, just try and then look at the third question. Four children are running race. In how many ways can the first two places be filled? How many ways the first two? So first of all, write the number of children in the running race is four children. Okay, so there are four children. So you always first of all count one by one. First yeah, first vara, second, third, and then. Okay, so first number of children in the running race is four. So first you take the first place. So in the first place, only one boy. So first place can be filled in from the four boys. Correct. The first place can be filled from the that four boys. So the first place can be filled with how many ways? Four ways. After filling the first place, there are the three places are left: second place, third place, fourth place. So, second place can be filled in how many different ways? So there are three places, and also there are three children are only left. Correct. So second places can be done in three ways. So both places must be completed. So 4 into through multiply both means A and B. So first place and the second place, which means and there are. So we need to multiply. So 4 into 3 is 12 ways. In how many different ways could they finish the race? How many different ways? So the first person, second places can be filled in 12 ways, correct? Yeah. So what about the third place? Third place, third place can be done in third place means third and fourth only left. So the two boys are left. So third place can be done in two different ways, and the fourth place can be done in only one way. So the race can be finished in 12 into. So we already know that 12 first two places 12 ways, and then now 2 into 1. So 12 into 2 into 1, there are 24 ways. That's it. And then fourth one, count the number of three-digit numbers which can be formed from the digits 2, 4, 6, 8, and if. So count the number of three-digit numbers which can be formed from the digits. So we have here 2, 4, 6, 8. We already seen that like this problem. Yeah, two-digit number we have seen that. Here three-digit number. So 2, 4, 6, 8 are the numbers. Okay. We want to form the three-digit number. Three-digit number using 2, 4, 6, 8. So what are the conditions? Repetition of digit is allowed. Repetition of digit is allowed. What does it mean? Allowed means if you put one value in the first place, you can put the one value again. Okay. So if you put the one value in the first place, suppose look at that. This is three-digit boxes. Okay. I have a number is 2, 4, and 6, 8. Okay. Repetition is not allowed means without the repetition means if you put 2 in the first box, you can't put 2 again. You can't put 2 again. So 2 is over. That means 2 is over. Okay. But here repetition is allowed, which means you can put 2 in full ways. So first of all I put 2 here. So first of all first box can be fill up in the 4 different ways: 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 different ways. And then second box also how many ways? So without repetition means if I put 2 now, supposing a 2 in the I just write. So you can't put 2 second box. I just put 4, 6, 8 only possible. So 3 different ways only possible. Correct? But here with repetition allowed means you can put 2 also here. So 2 also possible, 4 also possible, 6 also possible, 8 also possible. So this is also 4 ways. Again here the third box also 2 also, 4 and 6 8. All the values are possible. There are 4 also. So first box can be done in 4 ways, second box can be done in 4 ways, third box can be done in 4 ways. Okay. So without repetition means you can't put again and again the value. Okay. Again and again you can't put. With repetitions are allowed mean you can put whatever. Okay, that's it. So 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 4 is 64 ways. And repetition of digit is not allowed. Yeah, now tell me, repetition of digit is not allowed means, so 3 digit box, 2, 4, 6, 8. So suppose if I put 2 here means I can't put 2 here. If I put 4 here means I can't put 4 here. 6 here means I can't put 6 is 8 here means I can't put 8 here. So the first table, the first digit can be done in 4 different ways. You can put 2, 4, 6, 8, whatever. But the second digit can be filled in the 3 ways only. Yeah, so suppose if I put 4 here, I can't put 4 here. 2, 6, 8 only I can put. Suppose I put here 2 here now, I can't put 2 here. 4, 6, 8 only possible. 8 here means 8 is not possible for second digit. 2, 4, 6 also only possible. So this is a 4 ways, this is a 3 ways. So next is what we know the 2 ways. Yeah, so 4 into 3 into 2, what is answer? 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 4, 12 into 2 is 24 ways. Yeah, that's it. And then how many 3 digit numbers are there with 3 in the unit place with repetition? What is the word? With repetition? How many 3 digit numbers are there with 3 in the unit place? Unit place means what? Unit place means first place. Unit place means first place. So this is a 3 digit number. So the first place is 3 must be there. That is a condition. And also with repetition. Repetitions are allowed, which means you can put the 3 again in the second place, again in the third place also. Okay. So this is the first, second and the third digit. So the unit place must be on 3 only. So how many ways are there? How many ways in the unit place can be filled? Just only one way. So 3 மட்டும் தான் அங்க போடணும் first digitல அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So here one way only possible. But here 2 means, so the second digit is filled in be any 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. So 0 to 9 all possible. So 0 to 9s are possible. So here 10 ways are possible. Okay, 10 ways are possible. 10 ways are possible. Look at that with repetition. Okay, so on the last way, so I easily know that this is a 9. So 10 into 10 into 1 equal to 90. So 9 into 10 into 1 is equal to 90. So without repetition, which means what? Without repetition, I can't use. Okay, I can't use again and again. So same method, 3 digits are there. So first ways are possible. Unit place, we already know that only one way. 3 can be 3 மட்டும் தான் first placeல வரணும். So therefore that is a, so one way, only one way. Okay, so here must be 3. Okay, and then excluding 0 and 3. So excluding 0 and 3, what are the remaining numbers are there? 1, 2, 3 we can't put, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 can be, and then 8 can be. So third we all clearly we know that, third 8. So 8 into 8 into 1 is equal to 64 ways.